Real questions from real people because your concerns matter. May Tanong, Money Guru Reacts.
Hi, I'm Keisha. Sir John, ask ko lang po. Ang hirap kasi mag-budget kasi laging kulang yung pera ko. Paano ko po ba malalaman na tama yung paggastos ko?
You know, it's really common to feel like you are running out of money, but it's all about proper budgeting. First, track all of your income and expenses for a month. You know where your money is going. Then categorize your expenses. Needs and wants. Needs versus wants. Try cutting back on unnecessary expenses and set limits on spending for non-essentials. Budgeting apps or simple notebooks can also help you stay organized. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about making sure your money is working for you and not the other way around. Thank you again, Lodis. I'm John Henry Lugier, your Money Guru. Tutok lang palagi, Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru. Okay na to?
Cut!
Success.